Hi everyone, and today I thought of doing something simple and a quick mod for your vehicle, which is this. As you can see, uh, pedal covers. They are actually aluminium and rubber, so it has a kind of a rubber grip onto the surface of the aluminium, and under you have the rubber covering. So this is a quite good modification to make your vehicle much more posh, and to give it a better look overall. So I would do videos like this to the simple things you can do to make your car look much more nice and luxurious to the touch and feel and everything. So which is a great thing. And if you're doing this, I'll put the link in the description. You can try it, and the installation is pretty simple. Actually, I did not do it on camera because it's underneath and it's a bit hard to record, but still you just need the Phillips head screwdriver and all the four corners in here, as you can see, are nuts, and they actually fit into a piece like this, which will hold onto the original pedal, so which would give a perfect fit. So these pedals are universal, which I bought. You can find specific pedals for your vehicle. Some do, but some don't. So in my case, I didn't have the original pedal, so I had to buy the universal ones. So it just align the things and put the clip underneath to hold in with the older pedal, and just tightening these screws would give this a perfect fit. So that's it for the installation process, which I did not do on camera. It's pretty simple, just nothing to do here. Just fix it, align it, and clip them under the original pedal, and then tighten the balls. That's it. So simple. Make sure you have a perfect fit. It does not move at all, because so yeah, that's it for the installation. And thank you very much. So I'll be doing these short videos about the different products I find online and stuff. I'll review them, like the one I'm doing right now. So this is pretty much okay, but the aluminum isn't strong enough. It kind of trying to bend. As you can see, these tight points, it's pressed inwards, so it's not that hard, but since we have the original pedal underneath, so it will gain the strength, and no problem would occur while driving also. So that's it for this video, and I hope you would try these things as well and make your car even better. And that's it, guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay updated all the time, and give this video a thumbs up as well, and share with your friends and family so they can also try this stuff. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.